Aquarius, good morning, and today is May 26, 2026, and andito na naman ako para basahin sa inyo ang inyong mga kapalaran. Aquarius today brings a calm but powerful energy around you. May isang bagay na matagal mong hinihintay, message, opportunity o sagot na posibleng dumating ngayong araw. Trust your intuition dahil malakas ang gut feeling mo ngayon. At para naman sa love, kung single ka, someone may secretly admire your confidence and uniqueness. Kung in relationship naman, magandang araw ito para sa heart-to-heart conversation at pag-ayos ng misunderstanding. Para naman sa money and career, may maliit na blessing o unexpected help na darating. Iwas muna sa impulsive spending dahil may mas importanteng paggagamitan ka soon. Good day din it para sa content creation, social media at creative ideas. Para naman sa mga lucky signs natin today, lucky colors, sky blue, lucky numbers 8 and 17, lucky time 6:26 p.m. and lucky direction silangan. Guidance for today, do not doubt the path that you are creating. Small steps today become big victories tomorrow. Maganda ring araw para gumawa ng manifestation, maglinis ng space, o mag-upload ng positive content online. Your energy attracts attention today. And that's it for today, Aquarians. Until the next vlog. See you. Thank you.